What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And I know this ain't a car video, all that. It's car related, but y'all know, man, this life of J Malcolm. So today, I'm just turning y'all on for my garage cleanup, man. We got to get this junk straightened up, man. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after, and then we just kick it a little bit. Cause when I turn the camera on and I read the comment, it like y'all right there with me. It like y'all right there with me, man. When I'm doing whatever I'm doing, cause it raining right now. I still can't fool with the car because, like I said, it raining. So it like, man, take on another project. So we about to tackle all this. I'm about to tackle all this, man. All this. So me and wifey just got back from Home Depot, and boom. Shout out to my boy DJ, man. Showtime Transmission. I was over there the other day, and I was like, where you get them shells from, man? Cause I thought about it. He got them shells with all them transmissions. They nice, holding a lot of weight. He said Home Depot. So I got these from DJ. These the exact same size he got. They 77 inches. Yeah, 77 inches. So a little, about 6.5 feet. 6.5 feet wide. Pretty good shell, adjustable shells and all that. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on and tell y'all right. So like I said, this what we got. We're from Home Depot. I got 2 bins. And then we got that bin, 3 bins. And we got this. So I got that, I'm gonna put parts in. Now, I got a lot of loose stuff. Over here. So, man, I got parts for days. We got old flywheel. Old fan light. That's the block for R&B, which need to go to the machine shop so we can get ready, and I need to buy a rotating assembly. All these are new parts in here. These are literally new parts for meats, even in there. New fittings. That's for the fuel system when we put the fuel cell in. Which technically I could go ahead and have that done, man. I can go ahead and get a lot of this stuff out of the way. I can go ahead and put the fuel cell in the car after I clean the trunk out. I got a lot of stuff I need to clean out. So this is what we got going on. We got springs. Front spring got to go in R&B. These springs are for wifey car. Front and back, which she just got back. So, I mean, we couldn't do nothing. Got racing gear, this and that. So, and we got that. Like I said, bought it from Home Depot, $289. When by the time I got finished buying bins and all that, I spent like $400 something. Almost $500. So, y'all see all of this. This is the before. It really that side. It really that side. I mean, I can get a little bit over there, but it really that side, man. This is the before. So let's make it do what it do. All right, y'all. Checking in. Kids are getting some popcorn. Every time when they gotta have their popcorn at night, they always share what they did. So I'm about to get these things open. Hope them bad boy don't fall. And I like this thing already, cause it don't do nothing but snap together. Step on up. You don't even have to have no tools, man. You have a rubber mallet, and this bad boy just snap together like a puzzle. And we're gonna get this thing figured out. So the holes are at the bottom. Okay. Y'all know about the pest troy. But let me see what we got here. I'm finna just go to putting this thing together. But sometimes you do that, stuff don't work out like it's supposed to. But this right here look pretty self-explanatory. So I'm about to roll with it. Yep, cause the tray gotta, I said the tray, the shelf gotta sit right there. So you dig. We I guess you need to know. Now I'm gonna put some on the shelf, so. Oh yeah. Hey, I used to work at UGA for 1 year. Said I ain't had nothing to do. But I don't wanna tell y'all that, cause I got some plans for some videos. But it's gonna be epic too. But this right here just like putting some of that stuff together we used to have to put together. It make me think. See what they make me think of right here. Putting that thing together, I'm telling you. Okay, so first thing, well, it is a certain way. So you turn it like that. Well, it's gonna work now. It's gonna work now. Turn it right there. Like this. Let's see. Hold that. What I got going on? Let's see. This bad boy won't fight, man. I'm finna have to pick up the instructions again. Alright, it was funny at first, but now, alright, man, we got it. Let me see. What's there? There you go. Hold up. There it is. Gotta get that thing lined up. That bad boy lined up. Put him in the groove. Gotta put him in the groove. There it is. There it is. Turn it right there. Alright. So, make sure this thing ain't up too high. They're gonna be pretty fast, y'all. They're gonna be pretty fast. I see that now. So what I might do is roll a time lapse. They're gonna be pretty quick. But y'all know I gotta give y'all some footage and talk to y'all while I put this bad boy together. Well, I gotta finish unwrapping this. And man, I've been needing this shelf. But when I get ready to start stacking everything, we're gonna roll the time lapse. Then we're gonna roll the time lapse. So you know. And then I'm gonna cut y'all off in a minute, cause when I do stuff like that, I have my music on. I've been on that new Drake. Cause my boy one of the goats. My boy one of the goats. It ain't up for debate. Drake one of the goats. So I've been on that Drake, man. I had to get myself in the mode. Been on that Drake. Yeah, I know y'all seen my that was different. I know y'all seen my last video. I know y'all saw my last video, man. And every time I put them videos up, man, I love it. I get the most entertainment. Cause I keep telling people. I always see people be, Jay, don't give people your time. Dog, I'm a grown man. Every time you talk about this and that, listen here, man. I keep telling people, if you ain't in my business, in my space, it ain't gonna make sense to you. I don't expect for you to understand. This ain't like going in a warehouse, or it ain't nothing wrong with that. I worked in warehousing. It's different. That's why I'm saying this. What I'm saying. It ain't like going in a warehouse where it's a different vibe and stuff. This ain't that. It's a different type of time, man. So people be like, man, you getting this and they're getting the entertainment and kick out of it. Like, listen, man. When you on the internet, I ain't explaining it. Now that's what I ain't explaining, cause I done told people this before, trying to put them on game. trying to educate people, especially if they in social media. Some people seem to don't get it. You got to know when. You got to know, and I guess if it coming from a celebrity, it's more validated, cause it's some celebrities that tell you the same stuff. But you got to know when to engage with a person. You got to know when to entertain a person. I'm trying to tell people this stuff, man. I'm not where I'm at in life by mistake, man. Trying to. Success not measured by money, but goddamn money makes stuff happen. I don't care what you say. But I'm not where I'm at by mistake. That's all I'm gonna say. Trying to tell people stuff. Put them on some game. But anyway. So if you do social media, man, pay attention to what I do. If you do social media, pay attention to what I do. Y'all, this thing fighting, boy, look. This thing here fighting. Let me show y'all what I got going on. So, these right here they literally just snap in. They just snap in the side right here. And then, you know, you can adjust them how you want. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put one low. I about need to keep that where it's at. I don't want it all the way on the ground like that. I don't know. Now I'm put it all the way on the ground so we have some space, cause these beams got tall. They kind of tall engine blocks. So you put them, and then got to go in with these support beams to go across. And after that, you put the racks in, lay them in. They're gonna be this the easy part. The hard part is gonna be all of this. But I'm gonna get it done tonight, man, cause I'm in the mode. So I ain't gonna roll no time lapse on this. I'm gonna roll time lapse when I get the cleaning. Get to clean everything. So I'm finna turn my music on, get to it. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. Oh, we checking in. And we rolling right along. Thing pretty simple to put together, man. Pretty simple, y'all. I just been chilling. I could have had this thing together. But, man, when I build stuff, when I put stuff together, man, I enjoy the process. That's what I do. Cause sometimes when you rush through stuff, it don't work out right. You know y'all seen that before. When you rush stuff, it don't work out right. 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. But I enjoy the process, man. Out here at night, feel good. Good music. Vibing. Get stuff done. That's what I said I'm gonna get the garage cleaned out. Gonna look totally new. Now, I don't really see how I'm gonna utilize the top shelf. Cause we're gonna be getting close to the ceiling. We're gonna be getting close to the ceiling with this thing. So, let me see. I've been going 6 slot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will put that up here. Oh, snap. I probably put my light bands up there, man. Like some light and stuff. Light boxes gonna go up here on the top. Cause we need this space for the big bins and the big stuff. Cause I got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 big bins. So I don't know. But I'm checking in with y'all, showing y'all we rolling. I'm popping them support beams in, tray, and then we're gonna get the rain stuff. Cause after that, I'm gonna have to before I put it where it's gonna really be, I gotta move all that stuff out. Alright, so we back, man, much later. And this about best as I got it. It's about best as I got it. I don't know why, but it still look like I got about the same amount of room, but it's a little wider, man. It's a little wide out right there, but I mean, then the little box, they gotta go to the dumpster. And man, I got to get this shop up, man. I got to get this shop up, man, like ASAP. I just hate seeing it. Man, the garage really supposed to be the gym, man. It don't supposed to be nothing in this garage except that freezer and that refrigerator. Literally nothing else supposed to be in here, man. Cause this the gym. Y'all see, that's why it's unfinished, man. We gotta finish this up. All these tires will be in the shop. When I get this shop up, man, the shop gonna unlock everything basically. So I got to go ahead and get that done, man. I mean, either way, I needed the shelf. Cause that's what's gonna be in the shop. I'm gonna get another one though. Everything gonna be on shelves. It ain't gonna be nothing sitting on the ground except tires. So then the engine stand, that's on engine stand. They got to go back to him. A lot of this stuff get gone, man. That fender going on the Monte Carlo, it'll be out of here. All these boxes, man, this stuff can be gone. These parts, they got to go on the car. Like the big meats, stuff, all that. Fuel cell, radiator, fan, dual fans, box of fittings for big meat, distributor, alternator, starter over there. I mean alternator right there, starter, shifter, truck cover for the brown coat, the exhaust, all them boxes, man. Literally there, and springs for wifey car. All that stuff can be gone, man. That whole row can be cleared off. So man, I got to go ahead and put meats, get meats running, man. The transmission over there, that can be going out the floor. That Dolo old crankshaft need to go to the dumpster. That alternator go on brown coat for when I switch over to the Durali fan, which I gotta buy now. Dug them lines out, cause I gotta put one on my wifey car and one on bad. That's an extra bin. So it's just like, man, these right here, springs, back springs for wifey car, and one of the boxes need to go to the dumpster cause they the old cutlass spring. I don't even know why I be keeping that stuff, cause I don't know nobody gonna really need this stuff, man. Factory cutlass spring. Headlight gotta go in the Monte Carlo. Man, I tell you, man, old oil pans, 2 on, cause you know I had a regular oil pan on Dolo first time, then I ended up switching. I got a bunch of old stuff, man. I need this stuff. Need the kids stuff. Of course, it got to stay in here, but even the kids stuff will be in the shop, cause they can just open the door and go out there and get it. So these right here, these are grip pliers, box of grip pliers, I think. Let me see. I can't remember, man. Box of needle nose. Steve Davis gave me these, man. Steve Davis. I'm gonna get these away. Whole box of them, man. I'm gonna give them away. That's what they for anyway. So need some needle nose. Get it. Whole box of them, man. Just pay shipping and I'll send them to you. I don't know if it'll be worth it, cause I can't remember the price on needle nose. But anyway, yeah. But most of this stuff, man, like I said old intakes. Then I just be buying stuff when I catch a deal, man. I got parts that I got camshafts, man. I had some of everything. So this is where it's at, though. I mean, pretty good job. At least ain't that pile of stuff over there no more. But I can literally, that's just big stuff, man. All of it just big stuff sitting out now. That's the cross member for big meats. So at least I ain't got that big pile of parts right here no more. I mean, you can really see what's going on. There's a battery, good battery right there. My toe straps. When the truck come back, they'll be out of here. So I don't know. I might throw me an engine together, man. I don't know. I got enough stuff to throw an engine together. So I might throw an engine together, a budget engine, and throw a combination together and sell it. I might do that. Get it done and sell it, man. So I got enough stuff. I got a good camshaft, intake. I grabbed some heads or something, man. I got my eyes on some World products for a good deal, so I might grab them World products and throw a good engine together. I got a good set of pistons, all of that, and I got a whole nother engine at the shop, which I don't even want to bring here yet, cause I got 2 blocks already, and then that'll make 3, and I got to tear that down cause it's still a short block. But yeah, man, I just brought y'all on tonight, man, since I was doing my thing and all of that. So that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.